Manta ray. It's huge and looks like it's flying underwater. It has wings that flap gracefully. It loves plankton buffets. Orca killer whale. It's black and white. It hunts in family groups. It's smart and playful. Seal. It has soft fur and big eyes. It slides on ice and swims fast. It loves to clap its flippers. Walrus. It has long tusks and whiskers. It rests on icy beaches. It uses its tusks to climb onto ice. Manatee. It's round and gentle. It lives in warm, shallow waters. It eats plants all day long. Beluga whale. It's white and friendly looking. It lives in the Arctic. It can make funny, squeaky sounds. Penguin. It wears a black and white suit. It can't fly but swims like a rocket. It lives in cold places with pufferfish. It's small and cute. It puffs up like a balloon when scared. It has tiny spikes all over. Lionfish. It has colorful fins with stripes. It looks beautiful but can sting. It moves slowly like it's dancing. Hammerhead shark. It has a head shaped like a hammer. It sees in all directions. It hunts fish in groups. Electric eel. It looks like a long snake. It can make electricity to shock prey. It lives in rivers and swamps. Barracuda. It's long and shiny. It swims fast with sharp teeth. It chases small fish in the reef. Sea snake. It's slender and colorful. It glides gracefully underwater. Its bite is very strong. Humpback whale. It's huge and sings beautiful songs. It leaps high from the water. It travels far every year. Blue whale. It's the biggest animal on Earth. Its heart is the size of a car. It eats tiny krill, shrimp. It's small with many legs. It hides in coral and sand. It cleans other fish. Coral. It looks like a rock but is alive. Tiny animals build it together. It creates colorful reefs. Anemone. It looks like a flower but stings. It lives with clownfish as friends. It waves gently with the current. Sea sponge. It has many tiny holes. It filters water to eat. It stays in one place forever.